Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to turn on and off sound effects in Candy Crush Saga. First of all, open your Candy Crush Saga application on your device, and then once you end up in this page, tap on the gear button at the bottom left corner. This will open up the settings menu where you'll need to tap on the speaker and the music note icon to turn on and off sound settings on your Candy Crush Saga account. If you see these two red cross marks above your music note and speaker icon, it means that you have turned off the sound effect for your game. But if you see these two buttons not being crossed, or it looks like this, it means that the sound effect is toggled on within your Candy Crush Saga account. So that is how you can enable and disable sound effects in Candy Crush Saga. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.